Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Benidorm Scooter Sue. It's a beautiful Saturday today, a gorgeous sunny day in Benidorm. The temperature today, well the app's saying about 23, 24, but I reckon it'll be a lot warmer than that. And getting warmer as the week goes on next week. So enjoy your weekend. I'm here in the Old Town, so I'm just going to turn you around. As you can see, it's quite busy for a Saturday, so you have to be careful. Of course, with a Saturday, some shops do shut at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We've got Candylicious there. These cute little lollipops. SpongeBob, Paw Patrol, Pokemon. For the girls, Hello Kitty. Some big candies there, wow. You wouldn't need many of them, would you? And I'm not going to look at the Slushies, lemon, crema cafe, so like a coffee flavoured one. Oh, I think he wanted to go. But of course, the woman is the boss, and she says no. Let me know if you've ever tried here before. Hit the like, guys. Hit share, hit the subscribe, and of course smash that notification bell so that you'll always be notified when I upload more great content.